Okay, so you wanted me to do this for a long time. Skincare dupes. Very difficult, Just a minor change of the percentage of certain ingredients can change everything about a product. So makeup may you can find dupes in terms of color and texture and everything. But skincare, very difficult. But I did my best because what my audience want, they get. I have this 7 videos for this series. Each video would have 10 products. I'm really excited for this, to be very honest. So yeah, hi. Did I forget to say hi? Because I was excited. Yeah, hi. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. And the first thing I have is I'm from Rice Water Toner. It has 77 point something rice extract, niacinamide, and then it has rice bran extract, adenosine. It is quite expensive though. For 150 ml you have to pay something around 2000. I was like, I need to find something the cheap toner with rice water or rice extract, something similar. So then I bought this Plum rice water toner. I thought this too can be a dupe. Texture wise, these are not. I'm from toner. It has this milky, very hydrating, nourishing texture. Okay, so we have the company of Tata. So this Plum Niacinamide toner is super affordable. It has 3% niacinamide, rice extract and rice ferment filtrate. It also has oat extract and rose water. The I'm from rice toner, it has this thick and milky texture, where this Plum Niacinamide toner has this very clear consistency. It gives this moderate hydration and yeah, it brightens up my skin a bit. But nothing like I'm from toner. But if you see the price point, this one is way too affordable. The I'm from toner is really great for hydration and skin brightening, but it is quite expensive. So Plum can be there for a cheaper niacinamide and rice toner option. Another thing, these two toners may have almost similar amount of niacinamide, but when it comes to rice extract, I'm from has significantly high amount of that. It has more than 77% rice extract, which is also the first ingredient of the list. But the Plum one, the rice extract comes after niacinamide, and we know they have used 3% of niacinamide, and the rice ferment filtrate comes after rose water. So we can assume that this toner may have 3 to 4% of rice in there at max. So a dupe, not really. But if you're looking for something with rice extract and niacinamide at low price, you can try that Plum one. But if you can invest a little bit more money, not a little bit, way too much money on something, a toner, you can try that I'm from one. And for the Plum toner, I have something which is similar to that. That is Dr. Said's niacinamide toner. It has 5% niacinamide. But if your skin doesn't like fermented ingredients, then you can try the Dr. Said's niacinamide toner because it doesn't have fermented ingredients. Many people don't like fermented ingredients because it can give them fungal acne. So if that is something that doesn't suit your skin, skip the Plum toner. I'll try to find more options with rice in toner. For now, I have not found anything else. I don't know why I had this idea. This Plum toner would have this milky texture. It is hydrating, but not too hydrating. A simple plain toner. The next thing I have, Muji cleanser versus DHC cleanser. I've spoken about this earlier, and I think Muji is a perfect dupe of this DHC cleanser. To be very honest, texture wise, ingredients, everything almost same. Muji one is more affordable, and I would buy Muji again. I'm not gonna buy the DHC one because simply I saw the same results with Muji, and Muji is way affordable. So yeah, here we have found the perfect dupe. Muji is really a good dupe of DHC cleanser. Thank you. So here I am putting on makeup awkwardly just to test how these two oils would work on my skin. Actually, I already know, I just need to show you. As you would be seeing here, Both this Muji and a DHC cleanser, they're very good at melting the makeup, sunscreen. They emulsify also quite well. They have this thick texture, but they don't feel like sticky or greasy. Both of these have olive oil as the base, but the Muji one is more affordable, so I'd be buying that one. And next, this is a hair care product, detangling brush to be very precise. So I bought this tangle teaser, something like that. It is quite expensive and it is very much hyped. It works, but I found the bristles to be kind of harsh for my hair and scalp, and it is just average for me. Detangling, it does a job, but not something great. But then I found Alan Truman Detangler. I love this. This is way more gentle, more affordable, more efficient. I'd recommend you this Alan Truman brush over this Tangle Tweezer or Teaser any day, any day. They look similar, almost similar. Truman one, for me at least, it works better. So yeah, if you're looking for a like detangling brush, you can give this Alan Truman a try. So next I have this serum. This is Ariel Watermelon Serum, and the dupe of this serum is Peptidenic Serum. The texture is same, they perform same. The Ariel one has this watermelon kind of a scent that is kind of mild, but the Peptidenic one, it has this very fruity kind of scent. The scent is on the higher side for that Peptidenic one, but performance and everything, they feel the same. These are mostly hydrating serums. The Ariel one has high amount of panthenol, where this Peptidenic one, it has high amount of niacinamide. Also this Peptidenic one, it has bunch of peptides, which Ariel doesn't have. It has watermelon extract instead, but performance wise, I'm gonna tell you, this feels the same. So yeah, and the Peptidenic one is more affordable. So the last thing we have is Cosrx Snail Mucin versus Earth Rhythm Snail Mucin. So you have recommended me this Earth Rhythm Snail Mucin. You wanted me to see if it is a dupe of Cosrx Snail Mucin. I would say no. I'm so sorry, but it is not. The performance, texture, everything is so different, you know. Though they both contain snail mucin. The Cosrx one is more slimy, and the Earth Rhythm Snail Mucin, it has very light texture. The Cosrx Snail Mucin essence, it feels more hydrating. And the Earth Rhythm, it is hydrating, but not as much hydrating as Cosrx. But if you like the slimy texture of the Cosrx Snail Mucin, you might find this Earth Rhythm Snail Mucin to be better for your skin. If you want something lighter, then you might find Earth Rhythm one to be better. But if you want more hydrating and a better formulation, then go for the Cosrx one. Cosrx Snail Mucin, it has 96% snail mucin, and the Earth Rhythm, it has 70% snail mucin. Also Earth Rhythm Snail Mucin thing, it has lemon extract. Hyaluronic acid is common in both of these products, but yeah, I don't think it's a dupe of Cosrx Snail Mucin. And if you compare the price, for Earth Rhythm, you are paying something 800 for 50 ml, though Earth Rhythm, they give this BOGO every now and then, even 50% off. And for Cosrx, you're paying 1400 for 100 ml. So if you compare, like the price comes down to like more or less same. I mean, sometimes we get like 10% off or 20% off on Cosrx things as well. For Earth Rhythm, during their 50% sale, we can get their snail mucin at like 400, something like that. So yeah, like 100 or 200 rupees more or less. So yeah, that's it. And it was my first video of this 7 video series, and I think I found something similar to Claire's Midnight Blue coming cream too. I'm gonna talk about this now. I'm gonna talk about this later, and I'm gonna post this tube video every week. So for like 7 weeks, you're gonna get 1 video per week. And if you have any tips that can improve this series, let me know. I'd love that. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.